So take home exercise 3, instruction A, which is to bold the headers and create borders. So we go to the first row and we highlight the headers and we bold them. Then we create borders. So we go here and select all borders. Okay. So for instruction B, have to create a full column for full name. So we insert a column and we name it as full name. Then we're supposed to combine the first name and the last name with a space and a comma in between. So we type equals to concatenate. Okay, then we select the first one, comma, and we have to include the comma as well as a space. Then we select the last name. Then we close it. And so we copy the formula down all the way for everyone. Okay, for combined score, we name it here. Okay, combined score. Use the formula provided by the school. Where X is the PSLE score divided by 2. Okay. Plus 12 minus the L1R4 multiply by 10. Divided by 2. Sorry, some typo here. So just copy it and drag over. Yeah. And there you have it. Your part C is done. Oh, also for part C, you have to round off everything to nearest 2 decimal point. So you just right click on the field and click on format cells. Go to number and select, make sure that it's 2 decimal places. Then click OK. Then everything will change to 2 decimal places. Next, we have a combined grade. So we have the function. Then according to the instruction, this is like it's less than 55, and then you get an F grade. If you get between 65 and 55, you get a C grade. Sorry. And so on and so forth. So if you not very sure, you just in one bracket, right? Then when you press enter, they will go and change it for you. So we just try to extend it, okay? And then to another column so that you can try and see if it works or not. So for example, you get 54.5, right? Then you get an F grade. But if you get 55, then you get a C grade. Similarly, you get 64, you get a C grade. 65, you get a B grade. 74, B grade. 75, A grade. So just double check if it's correct. Okay, then we will have to sort the combined score. So we have to go to sort and filter here. Ascending order meaning small to large. Select expand this section so that everything else will go together with the combined score. And yeah, there we are done. So part F, using conditional formatting for PSLE score. So we highlight this table, this column, then we click on conditional formatting. We go to data bar, have a red color gradient. So gradient field, gradient, and then red color. So and then we are done with part F. For part G, you have to highlight the O-level score with 10 or higher. So we come here, select conditional formatting, 10 or higher, so it's all greater than that. So we go to more rules, 10 or higher, so greater than or equals to 10. Then we have a format or colors, which is white font and red fill. So white font and red fill. Then we are done here. Just note that the here is accidentally color, so you can just clear rule for this one. Select that shell. So the rest just double check, then in the burst should be fine. And you're done with your part G. So moving on to part H. We have to have the combined score. So we go to conditional formatting again. Then we go to select icon set, and these three icons. Use the tick, the amber exclamation, as well as the red cross. So but this we have to set it, as you can see, that even though you are 60, you still get a cross. So you need to set it. Need to right click our mouse. Need to to go for conditional formatting icon set. Manage rules, sorry. And then to edit the rules so that you can see the values. So now it's at percent, so you have to change to a number and number instead. Okay, so value red green tick is 65 and above. Okay, and this is 50. So just take a look, it's correct, and then you can click OK. Okay. So if you want to, you can just go down again also and change the number accordingly. Say 49.5. See, it's a red cross. But where is 50? It's amber. Then 65 is a green one. While 64.5 is a red one. So this is just to double check. And once you're double check already, you can delete, and then you're done with part H. And then proceed to part I. You have to show the number from each secondary school with period table. So you just highlight the secondary school name, go to insert, go to recommended period table. Then you can have the count of let's take a look, see. Since they want to have number of students, which is not count of the secondary school, you can just choose this. Then you can change label. Make sure that the grand total tallies with the number of students you have, which is 30 students. Okay, if you want, you can rename your sheet as the number of students from secondary school. Okay, part J again. Okay, now we'll proceed on to part J. So you highlight the three tables like PSLE score. Then you press the control button, and then you select two other ones, which is the age and the gender. Click insert and click recommended period table. After which you go and find the PSLE score by gender and age. Okay, which is the first one. Okay, keep in mind that you are required to show average PSLE score. So we go to our values, we click on it, we go and edit the value field settings, and then we change to average. So it says average of PSLE score. Okay, so with average, we have the gender here and with the age. So with this, we are done. And we can just rename it so that we don't confuse ourselves. Okay. If you want to see, you can just click here, here, and here. And with this, you are done. So you can just save the file. Save the file.